All right, so this unboxing is extremely late, almost about 8 months, and I kind of was pretty much hesitant towards doing this video, only because I upgraded pretty late in the ball game. I waited almost like 3 months after the announcement for the Z Fold 5, but I think it worked out in the long run for me because if we were really to look at um, what I got for a trade-in value is kind of like what the trade-in value is right now for the Z Fold 6 if you trade it in a Z Fold 5, which it's $1,200. The issue that I have is that this one is the 1 terabyte version. All right, guys. I know it's expensive. I was looking at the trade-in value for this. I kind of was able to, with all the credits and like a referral code, get this down to $586. Unfortunately, I can't pick it up in my local Best Buy, so I would have to pay sales tax. And it's averaging out to still almost be like $700 to upgrade to the newer phone that does have a more squarer notch right here. So instead of this rounded edge, it's square. Has the matted sides. Personally, I kind of like the shiny. Makes it look a little more expensive to me. But in the long run, what I've decided this year is not to upgrade to the Z Fold 6, at least yet. And it kind of worked out for me in the long run last year because I got a better deal. This phone here is the 1 terabyte version, and if things worked out financially, it would have been okay. I'm gonna go get the 512 gigabyte version, but to downgrade size in storage to me is a big deal. This phone's still gonna have operating OS updates and security patches, so I'm keeping it for now, and I think I'm probably gonna buy few more accessories this year. Like I've already ordered the Buds Pro 3 and I got a decent deal on those. I think I ended up paying like $32 after trade-in, and I had some Samsung credits, so we'll have to see. Once I get them, I'll unbox them for you. All right, on this note though, this phone, I mean, I guess like budget folding wise now, if you wanted a folding like phone, like the big size, maybe this might be a good deal to go for, because I know they're averaging about like $1,300 now if you find them the right spot for the 256 gigabyte version. What do you guys think? I personally feel, again, I'm not going to upgrade to the Z Fold 6 for a big reason. One, I can't write on the screen with the stylus, nor can I pretty much what we're looking for is upgraded cameras. Okay, OnePlus Open kind of like slammed it last year, but the two big things that would make me upgrade maybe next year, hopefully, is if we have a stylus that's integrated into the phone. They can do it. The stylus is pretty small. Come on, guys. I think you're holding back on purpose. But on that note, let's get into the unboxing. So I've already taken it out of the box, and we do have the case right here. Took it out of the plastic. This phone's decent. The main reason why I upgraded from the Z Fold 4 last year is actually seeing this device inside of a Best Buy. I realized, and it was tough to see, but it's much thinner hinge, and it's a much lighter phone. And I bet you the Z Fold 6 is much lighter now too. All right, but that was the main reason for me. Now if we're looking at this phone here, right, Z Fold 5, we got that lovely shiny aluminum, pretty cool. We got the microphone jacks, and your 3 cameras, which aren't updated since the Z Fold 3, USB port, your microphone jack, you got your stereo speakers, an antenna, you got your slim slot right there, and another speaker in that. So, and the one thing that I did notice, and you can see it right here, you can see that fold increase in the screen. Even with the Z Fold 6, that folding, you can definitely see it when they were introducing it. I don't think it's really made a bigger difference, but even having a folding phone, once you play a video on this phone, you're not going to really see that, crease in it. All right, so just putting all this stuff away now from where I unboxed it. Big thing with the Z Fold 5, even the Z Fold 6, the main thing that you're going to get in there is, personally, just your USB cable, and you're going to get the manual, and that's it. Phone retails for like $2,500, I think now. It's kind of gone up a little if you got the 1 terabyte version. And I think the main difference between the Z Fold 5 and the Z Fold 6 right now is just more of those AI features. But we did get the One UI 6.1. It took a little while, and it has the same AI features as the S24 does. All right, so what do you guys think? Do you guys think that this might be a good option if you're looking for now a budget full foldable phone? I'm not talking about a flip phone here. When you can get it for under $1,400. Leave the comments below. And this is Consumers Compute, and I'll see you in my next video.